The if function is one of, if not the most widely used functions in financial modeling. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to write an if statement. As an example, you may wish to check if we spent the exact amount over a year that we targeted to spend. You can imagine that isn't an uncommon question to ask, and I ask myself this every week with my own budget. So in this example, we have a target spend of $8 million in the year in cell B2. However, we spent $7 million shown in cell A2, much less than we targeted. Here we can use an if statement to do this with a calculation rather than just eyeballing the result. If we were checking many results in a model over many years or many columns, eyeballing is clearly not easy or reasonable. So we can build an if function. The if function is constructed as equals if, open parentheses, logical test, comma, value if true, comma, value if false, close parenthesis. The logical test is what Excel is looking for and checking. In our case being, does the actual spend equal our target spend? And we can then define a value if that is true and a value if that is false. So with our example, we would write if, open parentheses, A2 equals B2, comma 1, that's the value if it's true, comma 0, the value if it's false. And A2 doesn't equal B2, so this logical test yields false, and the value of false, or 0, is the output. It's as simple as that, and we will do this many times throughout the course.
Thank you for sticking with us. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to receive more free content, please subscribe below.
Or if you'd like to take an in-person or online course, click the link below to see the full course portfolio. Thank you.